Hi everyone, Maria here. Today, I want to show you how to build a simple uh, funnel using GetResponse because GetResponse is really great for beginners who want to grow their email list. They want to follow up with automation, and they might want to, well, they want to boost their sales. And yes, it's easier than you might think. If you've never used GetResponse before, it's one of those powerful all-in-one marketing tools. It's a tool, it's a really one of the cool tools out there. I've used a few other ones, but I really like the simplicity and ease of GetResponse. You can create landing pages, email sequences, auto automation workflows, even host webinars. So today we're going to build a basic lead generation funnel. The first thing we have to do though is I have to take you over to my get response. And let's go there. Get response. Here we go. Make sure that's it. Here it is. Okay, here we go. We're going to go over to get response. Let me go back to tools. Okay, we're in tools. Well, let me go back. Here we go. When you log in to get response, if you have an account, you have one. And I'm going to show you how to do this. You would go to your tools and you would go, let me make sure, move this out of the way, you can see it. You go to tools and then you go to landing pages. And once you're in landing page, here is where you can, my computer is acting slow again. Then you go to create landing page, go right here. And here you can use ready-made templates, or you can use AI, and everyone's using AI these days. So you pick the one you want. So you choose the template. I'm going to just choose one. And once you choose a temp, you click on choose a template, you customize it and you opt in and you do whatever. Sometimes I personally like to get a blank one, and sometimes they change this up. It's hard to tell which one they use. Let's just go with a blank one and see. Now you're going to get a template. It's just loading up. And here we have a blank template that you can use. But let me go back one more time. Okay, we're going to use this one that I like the best, but I can't remember which one it is at the time. So let's just pick that. Use that because that one gives you a little bit more to see. The other one was just, I used the other one. I used some of the other ones before. I like the blank. I like to create it myself, but I just want to show you in this point. And so once you do all that and it comes up, you're going to customize it. You're going to add what you want in this template. You can add, or you can remove things too. You can remove this if you decide this is not what I want. I'm going to remove this. So you can go and you do what you need to do on these templates to change them around, because I'll take you and show you another one. These are pretty cool. Yeah, I'm leaving this page. And you can look at other templates because they got pre-designed ones. They've got some that you can pick and you can change and add to them. Like we just saw that plain one, but let's go back to it. Let me just add to it. That way it's not. See, and then you add what you need to this template. You can add, you manage the page, and you can add anything you want. You can add this, you can add thank you. This is how you manage the page, but how you add to it is that you're going to add one of these elements here. So if you want to add text, you add text. See, and then all of a sudden text is added. And you could put, there was changing this. This is even a little bit different for me. You can introduce your idea. and then say you want to add a button. See how simple this is? And you add a button here, a call to action, and you link that button to what you want to link it to, and then say you want to add an image. Now you've added an image. There's no images in my folder, so in my folder there should be some. They're coming up. You can add an image. Use that one. The last one I used. You can do a call to action, an intro, like and the call to action, you just go here and you would pick what you want to put in the button and what you want the button to say and the style, or is it you want it outlined. You add the call to action here. Yeah. You're going to the external, you want it, where do you want it to go? You can add, where do you want it to go to a custom landing page or none, or what do you want to add? So you add that external and the URL, you add it here and go there. And you can go there and you can save this. And this is how you build it, just adding the, you know, adding the different, what do you call these basic elements that you might want to add. So it's really cool because this is a very easy to use program that's so simple and not complicated, even for someone who doesn't know tech too much. So from there, you would have that set up. You would continue. I'm sorry for my computer program is acting very slow. And there you have your basic landing page that was really simple to put together. You might want to title it. You might want to add it to a, like a subscription or a list. I have tons of lists, so you just pick a list. You can have confirmation. You can add to a sequence if you like. And you can leave it like this and you can continue. Let's continue. And once you do that, you pretty much have choose a name and domain. You can name your landing page, or you can add a domain here, or uh, another. You can leave this here and just add something to the end so you can identify it. And then you can publish, or you can custom it by adding buy a domain right here, or you can connect to one of your existing domains, either way. But that's really the basic way that you can create a landing page with GetResponse. And I'm sure you didn't know that you could do that with GetResponse, but GetResponse is a really functional, very easy to use type of program. But if you're interested in getting more information, I'm going to put some more videos out about GetResponse. But for now, just go down to my description and you can join GetResponse and see if that's something that you want to try. Because I'm telling you, it's simple, it's easy. And the best part about GetResponse is that they have a lot of help. So when I've needed help, I've contacted them and they've been super helpful. So make sure you go down and use my affiliate link if you want to get more information about GetResponse or thinking what autoresponder to use. I'm just telling you that GetResponse is easy. I've used some of the other ones and they seemed a little bit more complicated to me. So please go down and share and like, share, and subscribe because I think you're going to like it. All right. Thanks for listening. Bye.